So over here we've got some additional components for our LS build. Amongst those we've got our LS3 cylinder heads, which we'll be using, along with our Edelbrock twin throttle intake manifold and CPC rocker covers, which will have breathers added to them at a later date. We've got a complete Felpro gasket kit. I'm a big fan of Felpro gaskets, really high quality items, along with the obligatory ComCams double valve springs, 1.7 ratio rockers, our Romac harmonic balancer, Melling oil pump, and the Holley rear sump. As you can see, it's an LS1 short block. It started life as a 2005 LS1, but it now has 383 cubic inch displacement, or 6.3 litres, just shy of. It gets that extra displacement thanks to a billet crankshaft, rods, and CP pistons. It also came with a Crow cam, selected and pre-installed by the guys at LSX Performance, dialed in and ready to go. We've also got a whole host of ARP fasteners here. They do a huge range of bolts for this engine, as well as most popular engines, and most mechanics go to for high performance fasteners. Our LS3 heads came with factory springs and retainers, which were replaced with ComCam items. Our Melling oil pump was fitted next, being sure to prime it before the installation. Our windage tray and oil pickup was then fitted, taking note of using the right O-ring, as there are two different kinds. The Holley sump was checked for fit and alignment before being permanently installed. This sump gives us slightly more diff clearance over the OEM rear sump. Head dowels are installed and height checked before our LS3 heads go on using ARP bolts. Next, Scorpion roller rockers and ComCam's push rods are installed. Our intake manifold and valley plate are fitted, but will have to come off later for modification and for installation into the vehicle using the lift plate. There you have it, our completed LS1 engine ready to go in our Landcruiser project.